treats and Kilian. One sunny morning in the kitchen bright, Jeanne said, Kilian, let's pick snacks right. Cookies and donuts were calling their name, but apples and yogurt were in the game. Kilian asked, can I eat sweets all day? Jeanne smiled and said, let's learn the smart way. Sometimes treats, everyday eats, healthy foods give our bodies a beat. Crunch and munch, strong and sweet, sometimes treats, everyday eats. They packed their lunch for school that day. Carrots and sandwiches led the way. Milk for strength, bananas for fun, energy to jump and play and run. After lunch, a cupcake surprise. Jeanne said, balance makes us wise. Sometimes treats, everyday eats, healthy foods give our bodies a beat. Grow up strong from head to feet. Sometimes treats, everyday eats. What helps you grow? Fruits and veggies. What gives you power? Healthy every hour. Can we have a treat sometimes? Yes, that's perfectly fine. After dinner they shared some pie, laughing together, oh my, oh my. Jeanne said treats are fun to share when healthy foods are always there. Kilian cheered, now I see, smart food choices are